First open the water spout. Open these 4 screws. While opening up, just see that the thread is not gone. Open the cover, it opens it up. Now from this side, this is where you see the arbor is coming up, popping up from here. We push from the other side. It opens up this lock. We are going to replace this lock. Replace this part and the spring. 1, 2 and 3. These 3 parts we are going to replace with a new one. So these are the 3 new parts. This is the arbor lock. I put the small end to the top, and this one is going to get into the arbor. So this one I push it from here. This is all set. We lock this. While making it tight, do ensure that you don't break the thread for the screws. If it goes out, it will be very hard for you to open it up next time. Right, we put the new spring. We put the new cap. So this is all done. This is all at one level. It's all done. You're all set. You can start using your polisher with Arbor.